Hello, I'm Shivam and I'll be talking about Leren Leren, which is a company where we are developing open source technologies and offering learning infrastructure as a service. And I will introduce you the innovations that we are driving at the infrastructural level and the products that we have created on top of it. Now, to start, we are in an age of information explosion. To contextualize the need of our work, if we plot a graph between the human learning over the last few centuries and plot it against human progress, we find ourselves that we are creating much more information at a much higher rate than that we are learning. And this is a moment of evolutionary abstraction as far as information is concerned. So the problem is information management. The way information is being managed is not just disrupting industries, it's reshaping our digital future. The information processing is almost real time, and we have the tools to manipulate information as we are seeing it happen. So, in the current era of generative and adaptive AIs, we are having infrastructural and informational issues that are arising at a slow and fast rate. We have video information spreading fast, we have cybersecurity threats, and we have penetration breaches, all of them having an economic impact at a slow or a fast rate. This is what we do at Leren Leren, which is Dutch for learning to learn. And we have a creative tagline as learning to learn with technology, while technology learns to learn. We are working on researches around how life learns related to RNA, DNA, and the information sharing that happens on a biological level, to how societies, machines, and networks learn. In order to understand how do we learn in the future and how can we teach and impart this knowledge. While we are working on this, we are also building real world applications to prove the value of our research. So what we do in a crux is developing network driven learning architectures where AI and decentralized systems evolve together. Our flagship project is Decast.live, where it's a decentralized live casting platform using new form of content broadcasting and storage. We are working on different mechanisms like decentralized identifiers for protecting the user data and user access, while creating packages, open source packages, with the help of NGI Trust Chain funded by the European Union through European Dynamics. We also have partnerships with Vodafone and Capgemini to create decentralized infrastructure with community nodes to create composite learning networks with heterogeneous devices. And finally, we have decentralized apps and accessibility layer, which works with decentralized storage and data streams using Ethereum Swarm, SIA, and Scale Network. We have other projects developed and deployed as well. VideoWiki is an immersive video encyclopedia that has gathered good recognitions. We are also working with Recap, which is a Gen AI tool to enhance learning retention for students. And we have Team Dynamics, which is a team building and decision making app to automate the workflows and improve workplace productivity. Our business model is infrastructure as a service, where we can provide decentralized physical infrastructure networks deep in through our network of node operators, which is balanced and optimized and secured by an operating system that operates on top of these nodes, and to offer decentralized storages and decentralized database management systems as well. Now, to close it all, we would like to contextualize the expanse of the growth. So if you apply the same kind of a growth trajectory that is happening in the computing space to aviation, it would mean that a flight that used to take 7 hours between New York and Paris for $900 in 2025 should cost less than a cent and take less than 1 second to operate. So to handle such pace of technology, we are building the learning ecosystems with human and machine integrated networks towards a fair, equitable, and safe future. Thank you.